One of the roles of an employment law lawyer is to help you figure out what you might be entitled to on termination, to then look at what the employer's giving you to determine if it's fair. Sometimes we meet with people, we see what the employer's doing, and what's been provided is perfectly fair, and so the person signs off on their severance package and goes on to their next career. But in some cases it's not, and so that's where our job is to look at your employment contract, your severance package, and help you understand the law so that you can figure out whether or not what's being provided is fair. Usually we're able to work with employers to try and negotiate an improvement to that without suing, but if your employer is going to be unreasonable or steadfast in not improving that offer, often what will happen is we'll help you with litigation, which means suing your employer to try and get a better severance package. More often than not, employment law disputes don't end up in front of a court, so most of what we're doing is negotiating and trying to put pressure on the employer to resolve it with you so that you don't have to sue. But if it comes to that, we are there for you to actually argue your case in front of a judge to say that you are entitled to something more than what the employer gave you when you lost your job.